What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix common Realtek high-definition audio problems on your Windows PC. If you're getting an error during installation or when starting up your system, it usually means that the universal driver you're trying to install isn't compatible with your system's hardware. This happens most often when downloading drivers from the Intel or Realtek website without checking your actual motherboard model. To fix this, you need to install the exact audio driver built for your motherboard or laptop model. Start by searching for System Information in your Start menu and hit Enter. In the System Information window, look under the System Summary section. You will see two key entries: baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. These tell you the brand and model of your motherboard. Once you have that information, open up your browser and go to Google. Type in your motherboard model and press Enter. Open the official link from your motherboard's manufacturer. Once you're on the support or driver download page, locate the audio driver section. Choose your operating system and download the Realtek HD audio driver listed there. Make sure you're downloading the one labeled as Onboard Audio or HD Audio and not a universal version. After the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. If it's an .exe file, just double-click to run it. If it's a compressed zip file, right-click and extract it. Then, find and run the setup.exe inside the extracted folder. When prompted by Windows, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC. After rebooting, search for Device Manager in your Start menu and hit Enter. Expand the Sound, Video and Game Controller section, and you should now see Realtek High Definition listed. You can double-click it, go to the Driver tab, and check that the version is correctly installed. Next, to configure and manage your audio hardware, search for Realtek Audio Console in your Start menu and hit Enter. This app gives you access to all connected audio devices and lets you adjust volume, sound environment, equalizer settings and more. You will also see detailed controls for the audio jacks on your front and back panel, including the ability to manually select whether you're connected to a headphone, microphone or combo headset. This is especially useful if your PC doesn't automatically recognize a TRS or TRRS audio device. You can assign the correct input or output manually through the console. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.